Well, what's Tabasco the Saucy Raccoon doing in Chapter 7? We're at our Okanagan home, Trout Creek, and it's Christmas, a snowy Christmas. On Christmas Eve, Tabasco did what lots of people do. He left me cooking a Christmas Eve dinner party, and he scooted off to see what the other people were doing. A few hours later, when my raccoon hadn't come home, I went looking for him, and I found him on the veranda of the local naturalist's house. The raccoon was the life of her party, but she didn't let him inside. Tabasco entertained the guests through the window, dancing and prancing and twirling and whirling on an outside table on the veranda, while the guests inside were egging him on through the window, clapping, blowing whistles, waving party hats. No wonder the raccoon didn't want to come when I called. And you'll have fun too, reading some of Tabasco's other activities in this chapter: skating, playing hockey, cross-country skiing, cooking Christmas dinner, opening Christmas presents that I hung from the branch of a tree over Trout Creek. Tabasco came with us even when we had to struggle through the snow to trap deer, and radio-collaring cougars. Biologist Jack had to work even at Christmas. And then there was the day when Christmas holidays ended and Tabasco taught and entertained all grades from kindergarten to university, all on one day. Yep, I bet you won't find another raccoon in the world who's had all those experiences. I'll just read a couple of pages from Chapter 7, when Jack's daughter Shelley took Tabasco to her school, Uplands Elementary in Penticton. Shelley survived her day with Tabasco and came home and told me the highlights. In kindergarten, the kids sat in a circle while Tabasco wandered around as if he owned the place. They were all smiles and giggles, even when Tabasco crawled all over them. He nipped their ears, he stole their nuts, and he threw their playthings out of the sandbox. I had to guard the teacher's desk in grade 1, though. He opened her purse and upended her makeup bag. I put him in the sink in grade 2 so the kids could see how he turns taps on and catches the drips with his fingers. Paws, hands, and then I had to follow him around the room wiping up his paw prints. In grade 3, he tried nosing into the gerbil's cage and batting the gerbil, but I didn't think I should put them together. He batted the cans and boxes around their play store instead. He batted a big ball around grade 4. The grade 5s were the best. They thought it was neat when Tabasco stood on the mice cage and it crushed under its weight. There was mice running everywhere and Tabasco was running everywhere trying to catch the mice. The class thought it was great. And the teacher? What did the teacher think? I said weakly. Oh, no sweat, Shelley said cheerfully. It took her some time, but she caught all the mice. Tabasco got into a lot of trouble in grade 6, though. He was getting pretty rambunctious by this time with all the attention. He swiped everybody's bubble gum, and I had a hard time getting bubble gum back. He chewed a felt pen. He got pink all over his tongue, so I put him in a cage until lunchtime. I know you don't like him eating junk food, but he really loves hot dogs and chips. See you next time.